Welcome back to Autoverse Reviews. Today, we dive into the ultimate expression of street-ready performance and aggressive styling, the 2027 Toyota GR86 Widebody Modified. This isn't just a car, it's a statement on wheels. Starting with its heart, the GR86 keeps its signature 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, but with upgraded internals and a custom ECU tune, this beast now delivers a stunning 295 horsepower to the rear wheels. With a lightweight chassis and revised suspension geometry, cornering feels razor-sharp and planted like never before. The wide-body kit is the first thing that grabs your attention. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, the extended fenders give the car a broader, more muscular stance. Every line is sculpted for purpose, from the front splitter that slices the air to the rear diffuser that improves downforce at high speeds. The LED headlights have been tinted in custom-forged 19-inch wheels wrapped in ultra-sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup. 2 tires complete the aggressive aesthetic. Inside, it's all about function meeting form. Alcantara-trimmed bucket seats hug you tight during aggressive cornering, while the digital display now features race telemetry. A custom short-throw shifter and carbon fiber accents elevate the cabin into something truly motorsport-inspired. Performance upgrades don't stop at just engine tuning. The braking system has been overhauled with 6-piston Brembos up front and drilled rotors for increased fade resistance. The coilover suspension is fully adjustable, allowing for both street and track setups. On the road, the exhaust roars with a deep, throaty growl thanks to a titanium catback system. It's loud, unapologetic, and exactly what you want from a car that looks this wild. Whether you're launching off the line or carving through mountain roads, this GR86 doesn't just perform, it dominates. In a world of electric vehicles and automated driving, the 2027 GR86 Widebody Modified is a celebration of raw, analog driving. It's a love letter to enthusiasts who crave the connection between driver and machine. If you're looking for the perfect blend of show and go, this custom GR86 is it. Let us know in the comments what you'd do differently with your own build. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the boldest builds and rarest rides only on Autoverse Reviews.